Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow certain app to send notifications during Do Not Disturb is on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, tap on notifications. After that, tap on do not disturb. Then we go down and tap on app notifications. Now in here, tap on add apps. Then from the list of apps, go down and select the apps that you want to allow. So in here, I'm going to select a few apps. The one that I have selected will allow to send notifications while do not disturb is turned on. And that's it. So go and add in the apps that you want to allow during do not disturb. After that, you can tap on the back key or the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.